Welcome back to Dad's Expensive Hobbies. Today we're taking a look at the 1969 Pontiac Gto Judge in 124 scale from Jada's Big Time Muscle lineup. This one stands out right away in that bold carousel red-orange finish, and it looks every bit the street legend it was. Up front, you've got the aggressive split grille, hidden headlights, and the famous Judge decal on the fender. Classic Pontiac styling with plenty of attitude. One of my favorite details on this model is the stance. Skinny tires up front and huge drag slicks in the back. That big and little combo makes it look like it's ready to launch off the line. From the side, the body lines are clean, with that green accent stripe running the length of the car, and the mufflers sticking out from the body just looks awesome. Swinging around to the back, more Judge branding, detailed taillights, and the big-time muscle plate. And just look at how those fat rear tires fill the wheel wells. This thing looks planted and powerful. Open it up and you'll find a full black interior, bucket seats, 3-spoke steering wheel, dash-mounted gauges, and even a floor shifter with chrome accents. For a 124 scale, the details really pop. And under the hood, Pontiac power. A detailed engine bay with chrome valve covers, hoses, and the GTO branding across the block. You can almost hear the rumble. And there it is, the 1969 Pontiac Gto Judge in 124 scale. Small tires up front, big tires out back, and all the muscle car attitude packed into one collectible. If you enjoyed this showcase, hit that like button, subscribe, and keep hanging out with me here on Dad's Expensive Hobbies, where the cars keep spinning and the collection never stops. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep die casting and God bless.